Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought, proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining out, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
That commences our Christian Kenya tour.
A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you
Oh my lord!
Is that a
GTR!
You already know what time it is. It's time for some fucking GTI content, ma.
Got the Yacht Club Vans on with the custom vanity plates, brother. Oh, damn.
1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. I'm just kidding. I don't do that. I'm not stupid. What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you guys are new here, we are building my Mark 7 GTI here on the channel. We go fast, have a good time. I just recently added a baby to the collection, the Z650. If any of that's something that interests you, go down there and hit the subscribe button. As always, join us and join us on the journey. Yeah. All right. No, because I want to do the GTI content. There's a dead bug on me. So today, dude, I haven't drove the GTI in like 2 weeks. I've been taking the bike every day because obviously I just got it. It's new. It's like exciting. But I haven't driven the GTI in like 2 weeks, so this is gonna be super spicy. Recently, what you guys didn't see. Oh, what? Oh, what? You gutted the dub? As you can see, we took everything out of the rear, and today we're gonna put that to the test. Does it make a difference? Does it feel different? Does it go faster? Is it louder? Is it gonna be really obnoxious inside? Yes, that much we know. Yeah, let's go for a rip. Let's get back to the roots. Let's go do what we do best. Terrorize the streets. Make the average man feel unsafe. Let's take back the streets. Okay, let's go. A spicy cold start, you say? Is it even gonna start? I don't know. All right, let's go. I'm so hyped. Bro. Listen to the rotors. It's rained so many times, the rotors are disgusting. So, RIP that. Oh, we're on the regular mic on the GoPro too, if that, what is happening? We're on the regular GoPro mic too, if it sounds weird or whatever. I just didn't have time to mic it up. But you know we had to get that GTI content. Yes. Okay, first of all, it's way louder in here. It's a lot louder in here. Notice that immediately. Welcome back to the cabin, baby. Let's go. Oh, we're gonna go rip. All right, let's get some gas, let's wash this bitch, and let's rip! I hope you guys are excited as I am. God damn it! Yes! Bro, I'm so sorry I'm yelling, but I'm so gassed about this. What's up, bro? I'm having a great day. It's just such a different thing. Like, I grew up on bikes. My whole life, like, got me into mechanical things with bikes. Like, I started riding when I was like 5 or 6 on a little pocket rocket, and I never stayed off of it. And then, like, I got into cars. It's the same thing, dude. I could be riding around on a tractor, like mowing the lawn, and I'm like, fuck yeah! Alright, we need gas though. This is pretty bad. Should we just send it? Just rip it? It'd be weird if we didn't, right? Yeah, Dad. That shit's banging. I need some petrol. Nut sandwich. I kind of just like, I'll wash it after. I'm like very excited to drive, so we'll end at the wash, so we're not just gonna dirty the shit out of it and then park it again. What a filthy animal. How do people drive naturally aspirated cars? Like, honestly. Bro, you're missing out. But then again, they're like, bro, where's the low end torque? It's a lot louder. It feels, I don't want to say it feels lighter, but there's a lot of weight missing in the back, so I noticed it, like throwing it into a corner a little bit. Does it make a difference with, I mean, potentially you'd be faster because less weight, same power, in theory. But I wouldn't know until I lined up with somebody that I'm used to running it with. Like if we ran up with like Neptune's STI, like I would notice that, but either way, it feels goddamn spicy. And I'm so glad you guys are here to experience it with me, brother. Stay in your lane! My mark is 10K subs by the end of the summer. Help your boy! Go down there, just hit the like button, that's all you gotta do. If you're not subscribed, join us! If you think I'm annoying, like how every other person starts out, watch a couple more videos, get a feel for it, and then subscribe. So many people are like, bro, I just want you to know, you're fucking annoying. But then like I watched some videos, and I grew into it, I like it. I was like, thank you, brother. I'm just a different breed. Just built a little bit different, you know? God, this car makes you feel so good. Okay, so for those who don't know, when you ride a bike, it really warps your perception on like what fast is, because a 300 feels fast. Like a bike, if you come from cars, it feels fast, no matter what it is. So now like I've been ripping with 650 and got like a full, I've gotten used to ripping on that wide open. This is just, it's different fast, you know? Like for a car, it feels really fast, but on like a bike, this would be so slow. It's so weird. Everybody around here has been like, yo, where's that absolutely clapped shitbox GTI that always hammers around town? Right here, bro. I ain't going nowhere. You guys peep the X-Brace back there looking spicy? You know, I drive this thing and every time I drive it, I get all like, yeah, I just want you to know, normally I'm like a pretty, I'm not gonna say tame, that's completely a lie. I'm pretty like, you know, a little ADHD going wild. I drive this thing and it just like, it's straight up, it's just fucking For the boys, let's fucking go. Yeah! Yeah! Oh my god! That's kind of the cool part about the channel though, is like the fact that I'm where I am because of just you guys watching my videos that I put on the internet. That's so cool. I don't care what anybody says at all. That's so sick. Like look at where we are. Look at like the people that I've met. Like the guys watching right now. The people, hang on, sorry, I'm really jittery. The people who are watching right now, like this is real. I met you guys because of videos that I was just throwing on the internet to like entertain you. Like, let's be real. For those who shit on me, these videos are not like, they're not super informative. There's no real logic behind them. It's entertainment. And that's how I started the whole YouTube thing, is I was like, yo, you know, I can make other people enjoy their day. And I don't know, it's so sick. I'm rambling on, let's get back to driving, but I love you guys and this is so sick. So here's the 10K for the boys. I can't wait till we get there. 10K, then 50, then 100. Oh, torque steer, don't do it. Ah! She was so mad. I'm so sorry. Sorry to that lady. She was so mad. I don't know why. She went to pull out in front of me. What the fuck? Let's pull up, get a little thumbnail real quick. Made some pretty spicy TikToks. If you don't follow your boy, go follow your boy on TikTok. Pretty sure it's just Chris from Kenya. Chris from Kenya with underscores, I think. Bro, this thing needs new tires bad. I got new tires in the driveway, but I need to get them on. The ones in the front are actually decent, but the ones in the rear, there might be a little bit of wire here and there. They're pretty bad. I didn't realize how bad they were. Oops. Whatever. It's fine. It's honestly fine. I forgot how much everybody hates this car. I love it. It makes me so happy. The crap. Hashtag hydrate. I'm just gonna go this way, buddy. Don't mind me. Just leave me alone. I can't see anyway. I can't even tell. Psych! If you're watching this video and you can't drive, I hope you'd enjoy it. But if you can drive, go out there and rip it, baby. Go rip it for your boy. Let this be a sign to inspire you to go right now, get up, stop watching this video. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you, bro. You can keep watching if you want to, because I probably would, but stop watching the video if you have to. Go rip, come back. Okay? Clean S4. I'm coming for that ass, boy. I'm in hot pursuit. Oh, he's leaving. Later. Hey, it's cool. Yeah, you can. I'll fuck myself. Cut me off. That's cool. On my E30 models. Sorry. Not sorry. Probably turn traction control off. This might get a little rowdy. Yo, that carbon. Is that carbon GTI? What's up, dog? Alright, cool. This one's for you, brother. This one's for you, dog. That may have gone that way. So we're gonna go, hey brother, I'll save you the time, I'll go this way.
can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. Stop.
Reggae. Not good. It's not good, boys. It's not good. Don't panic. And just like that, we have come to the end of another video, and I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I hope you're having a good time as always. And go rip it for your boy. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you look forward to the content coming in the future of the channel. I'm so excited. I will catch you guys in the next one. Just keep driving, keep it real. Your boy's out.
Demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling